Hello everyone! Welcome to another new video of me. Yay! Youvimi, I think it's pronounced Youvimi, sent 3 wigs to me. And yeah, just ignore this. It's so hot in here, I'm sweating and I need air. So yeah. Here's the package. I just got it and let's unbox this together. Wig number 1. They come in those pretty nice packages. They're very cute and you open those like this. Ooh, that's a long pink one. I'm so excited to try it out. So I just noticed that I didn't put my favorite filter on, but now it's here. This is the first wig. It's a long pink one with blue underneath. Blue, purple, grayish, I don't know what it is. It's pretty though. And what I already love about this wig is that it's not so shiny. It is shiny in a good way, but many cheap fake hair wigs are very shiny and it looks bad when they are. This one does it. I will link all the wigs that I have below in the description or whatever. And yeah, I'm gonna try this on now.
I owned it. And Sarah didn't have the right to take it away.
Okay. The fringe is not styled yet, which is not bad because now I can choose myself how long I want it to be, if I want it to be straight or just, So, I just went to the bathroom and cut myself a proper fringe and I feel so much better now. I actually feel like a fairy princess kind of something. So I think this wig has enough hair so you can try different hairstyles, like do something like this for example. I think that's really cute already. Maybe put it in a ponytail, a side ponytail maybe. Careful to hide your wig cap and your hair. Yeah, you can also present the gray-blue part, like, I still don't know if it's gray, blue or purple. You can also take little parts. Look, it really is enough actually. A little bun or something. It's a very voluminous wig, so you can try many things. So yeah, this is the first wig. Let's look what's next. They're put together. They're both from the Zodiac collection. When I chose these, I didn't know which one was supposed to be which zodiac sign because it wasn't written anywhere. But now I know because maybe I didn't find it, or maybe they now released what is what. I found out I chose Gemini and Scorpio. I'm gonna take Scorpio now. I'm very excited for this one because I'm Scorpio in moon and my rising sign is also Scorpio. It's so cute, look at this. I didn't see it in the pictures, but I'm positively surprised right now. It's dark purple. I thought it was black with pink red tips, but it's purple to pink. I'm so excited to try this. So yeah, I love that it's actually my hairstyle but in another colorway. I look good. I think it also really fits the Scorpio theme. How it fades into this bright pink from this dark. This is kind of the secretive emotional side from Scorpio, and this is bold and badass and brave, and I love it. So, next one. Now to my Gemini wig. Oh, these also have a wig cap. I'm already wearing one, but just to let you know. Oh, the first one also had a wig cap. I didn't see that. But yeah, so you know, you don't have to get another wig cap because they come with the wigs. I chose Gemini. I didn't know it was Gemini, but it was kind of obvious because it's pretty much my current hairstyle, but in long, and it's the other way around. I have blue on this side and pink on that side. So so I was like, why not get this one so I can see what I look like with the same hair but in long, and once again already looks great, not terribly shiny or anything. It's very smooth, just like this one and the other one. Trying this one on now. So yeah, this is the Gemini wig, and I did cut it a little because it was kind of messy. I'm messy myself, so it's still messy, but yeah, loving it. I almost look like myself before I cut my hairs. What I also wanted to tell you is that when combing it, I noticed that it doesn't really take any hair. Like, the hair loss in this case is not that big. So that's the third and last wig. And yeah, as I also said, they're all gonna be in the description box. And make sure to use my code, which is Licorice. I'm putting it here somewhere. Yeah, then you're gonna get 10% off of your wig or wigs. Oh, and by the way, they don't only sell wigs, they also have pretty nice East Asian clothing, if you could say it like that. They're all very nice quality for their price. I mean, it's not real hair or anything, but for that you really get a nice product. I mean, look at those. They're so pretty. And I'm so excited to wear these outside and for photos, and yeah, totally looking forward to that. I hope you liked this video, despite my awkwardness. And yeah, make sure to use my code, and also tell me which one you like best. This, or this one. I would like to know, tell me in the comments. So yeah, this was the video. Bye!